Okay guys, so the next thing we're going to go ahead and do is code our intro screen. So to start, we're going to go inside of our yellow events tab and use when green flag clicked. When our green flag is clicked, we're going to go into looks and we want to show our intro screen. We also want to make sure that it's always positioned in the correct spot. So we're going to go inside the blue motions tab and add a go to X and Y. Your X and Y might be different depending on where you placed your intro screen, but that's perfectly fine. This is just to make sure if by accident, if we click on it and drag it and move it somewhere else, it knows exactly where to reposition itself. The next thing we're going to go ahead and do is create a score, and this is where we're going to be able to keep track of it. So we're going to click on our variable tab. We're going to click on make a variable. This is going to be for all sprites, and we're going to call this score. Once you're done, you're going to click on OK. We can leave this here so that we're able to see our score, and then we're just going to add a set block underneath our go-to. Change this to score, and just leave this at 0. So every time we start our game, we are always starting our score at 0. The next thing we want to do is make sure what happens after we click on this in order to play our game. So we're going to go ahead and click on the yellow events tab. We're going to add when this sprite is clicked. We're going to go into looks and we're going to go ahead and add a hide since we don't want it to show up anymore. And then we're going to go back into our yellow events tab and we're going to then broadcast message 1, and we're going to change this by clicking on message 1, clicking on new message, and typing in start game. And then we're going to click on OK. And with this, our code is all set.